everyone, I'm Amanda. I'm a massage therapist here at Life Moves Manual Therapies, and today I'm going to talk about how massage can help with headaches, because we help a lot of clients with headaches. Massage can do wonders for tension type headaches, since it can directly affect how much tone and tension is being held in those muscles. For tension type headaches, a lot of times it's associated with a posture, specifically forward head posture where the head sits in front. My favorite activity to get more familiar with forward head posture is to watch your favorite TV show, especially if that TV show happens to be like one of the lawyer shows where people have to get really intense, because most of the time you're just going to see them sitting there like this every time they have to be intense, heads forward. So do that, have fun, check it out, you will never unsee it. But that kind of posture, especially when we do it all day, say at the workplace or with our phones, anything like that, it's going to change the length and tone in muscles, and so it's going to put a lot more strain on certain muscles and make other muscles weak and long. What massage can do is go in, we can specifically work certain muscles to reduce the tone, we can work certain muscles to help lengthen them with specific stretching. It is important to know how to stretch. We have that information to be able to help you properly stretch without getting into the ligaments, which has a super adverse effect of making the neck less stable, and then we end up with more muscle tightness. So all of these things, it really does help to have a professional come in and help work those things, show you how to properly stretch. And by lengthening those muscles and reducing the tone in the super short ones, we're really able to change the way that the muscles are pulling on the head and immediately impact headaches. Often we can reduce a headache while someone is here in the office if they're having it, and if they're having them chronically, we can reduce how frequently they're having their headaches. Final fact, more than 3 to 4 headaches a year is a lot. We don't count dehydration headaches or headaches where you know what the cause was, but for headaches where you don't know the cause, more than 3 to 4 a year is a lot. If you're having to pop stuff every week in order to get rid of those headaches, definitely check it out with a massage therapist. We'd be happy to help. If you have any questions about headache and massage, or if you just want to know more about what massage can do, leave it in the comments, and we'll see you next time.